done a long career in doing demanding things, and I know that, you know, life is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. If you want to do something, you got to work at it. You might get lucky, yeah, and luck happens. You might get lucky, and you might just take off and fly. There are people out there that do it, and they're posting all the time telling you that. The vast majority, the overwhelming majority, the 99.999% recurring, do not. So the chances of it happening for you or for me, nah, that's not going to go there. I'm going to post this video up in a minute, and I guess I might get single digits again. We'll try and do the packaging right, we'll try and get the thumbnail right, we'll try and get the description right, we'll try and get the tags right, we'll try and get the SEO right, we'll try and do all of that. But the chances are that it's going to get single digits when it goes up, even though I've got 7,000 subscribers. You'd think it would get pushed to all of those and at least a couple of them would click. Now, it doesn't work like that. It really, really doesn't. They tell you it does, but it doesn't. What I've been tending to do is put something up, leave it up for 72 hours or more. If it hasn't, I'll bung a $5 at it. I'll promote it for a $5 to get some views, so at least when people come and look at the channel, they kind of go, oh wow, you know, all of his videos have got some views, because like it looks a bit pathetic, doesn't it? And for the, you know, for a $5, it's worthwhile doing just to get you something there. If you're thinking about doing this and starting it, great, go ahead, do it. But do it with your eyes open, and do it being realistically, okay? Subscribe to this if you want to follow the journey as it continues. There'll be more stuff going up in the next couple of days. I'm not going to keep up the pace that I have been doing it, because I don't think that actually makes sense, because I don't think you get rewarded by doing it. You do increase your chances, but whether you increase them in a way that's meaningful, I don't know. As I say, I think it's still really down to luck and what the algorithm is doing on any given day, and whether for some bizarre reason that nobody can explain to you, and I certainly can't, and if I ever do work it out, I will come back and tell you. You know, keep doing it. I will definitely say that there's an intelligent way to do this. I definitely think choosing what you're going to talk about matters. I do think that if you have a particular niche that you can play into, that matters. But it doesn't matter to the point where it thinks that if you get all those things right that you're going to be successful quickly. You're not. You might not even be successful slowly. So don't do it because you want to be successful. Do it because you're enjoying it. So as I say, subscribe if you like, give us a like. You know what I'd really like your comments. I really would. You know, if you can, that would be really wonderful. I'd be very grateful if you got this far to leave a comment. That would be fantastic. But I'll keep telling you what's happening, the wins, the tumbleweeds, and everything in between. I've been John Pfeiffer. You've been pretty wonderful. Tara.